Puja Mandala tourism object. The people of Bali are very well known for their warm-hearted attitude. Even though the residents here have different beliefs, they still live with mutual respect and respect for one another. This diversity and harmony can give birth to a complex of places of worship called Puja Mandala in Nusa Dua, Bali. This complex is a place of worship which consists of 5 places of worship from 5 religions, namely Islam, Protestantism, Catholicism, Hinduism, and Buddhism. In this place, visitors can see the beauty of harmony in various kinds of diversity. In addition, this worship complex can also provide lessons in the form of the importance and beauty of tolerance between the different beliefs of one people and another, such as the implementation of the first principle of Pancasila. Because in essence, all Indonesian citizens must uphold the motto of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. This prayer complex was built in 1994 on a land grant from PT Bali Tourism Development Corporation, which has an area of 2 hectares. This company is the management of the Nusa Dua area that has been able and successful in making Nusa Dua one of the tourist destinations in Bali. The Puja Mandala worship area was then officially legalized in 1997 by the then Minister of Religion, Tarmizi Taher, after 2 to 3 years of cultivation. The idea for the construction of this complex came from the Minister of Tourism, who was then held by Yop Avenue. In the beginning, this started from the desire of Muslims to build a mosque in the Nusa Dua area. Then, the initiative was well received by Yop Avenue, who then proposed to build a place of worship for 5 religions in one area. This place of worship complex was made as a symbol of harmony between religious communities in Bali. Puja Mandala was originally built with the aim of serving as a worship facility for tourists, who are staying overnight or on vacation in the Nusa Dua area. However, over time, this prayer complex became one of the main visiting places for tourists in Nusa Dua. This complex of places of worship is also often referred to as a miniature of religious harmony in Indonesia. This is due to the existence of a harmonious relationship and the spirit of upholding the sense of togetherness that comes from the community that supports the construction of Puja Mandala. Even though this project seems to be running smoothly, there are still obstacles when the construction of the complex will be carried out. When the development permit decree was issued, there were 2 ministers who disagreed, so they provided conditions if they wanted this development to be continued. The conditions given are that there are 500 residents around the construction site who support the construction of this prayer complex. Furthermore, this problem was submitted to the central government and has been resolved. Thus, the construction of this worship complex was carried out. Getting to the location of this prayer complex is very easy. If the visitor starts from the Mandara Toll Road, then the distance to this location is only about 1.7 kilometers, namely by turning right at the Pratama Raya Street, then goes to Siligita Street cut short. After arriving at Siligita Street, visitors can then turn right again at the first intersection. Furthermore, visitors enter Kurustra Street. This prayer area is 400 meters from the last crossroad. The existence of various places of worship from the 5 religions in Puja Mandala does not only function as a symbol. This worship complex is also a tangible form of religious tolerance that produces intimacy and peace in life. Here are the names of places of worship located in Puja Mandala from the 5 religions. The Great Mosque of Ibnu Battuta is located on the far left of the Puja Mandala Nusa Dua complex. Like mosques found in general, the outer interior of the mosque consists of a typical Javanese mosque roof, which is an overlapping roof. This grand mosque is dominated by green. The Catholic Church building, Parish of Maria, Mother of All Nations, is right next to the Great Mosque of Ibnu Battuta. This Catholic Church of Mary Mother of All Nations parish has a distinctive architecture, namely there is a single tower with a Jewel front wall that follows the shape of the roof. The back of the church has an overlapping roof. The Protestant Church of the GKPB Congregation Bukit Doa has a bell tower like the Parish of Mary, Mother of All Nations, even though its shape is different. This church is located near the building of the Parish of Mary, Mother of All Nations. Unlike the Great Mosque of Ibnu Battuta and the Parish of Maria Bunda All Nations, which was built in 1995, this Protestant church was built in 1994, which was then inaugurated in 1997. Jagatnatha Temple, which is located in the Puja Mandala complex, also has the same shape as temples in Bali in general. Jagatnatha Temple is located on the right side of the complex. This building is composed of black stone which is equipped with a gate at the entrance. This temple was built the last of the 4 places of worship. Pura Agung Jagatnatha was built overlooking Mount Agung Bali, which is believed to be the place where the gods reside. The Guna Buddhist temple, which was built in this complex area, looks very luxurious and elegant. There are several ornaments and statues that are part of this temple. Outside this building there are several beautiful statues, namely a white elephant statue on the front, a white dragon statue on the side, and a Buddha statue. The building of this Buddhist place of worship is dominated by gold and white. In addition, there are 8 circles around the Buddha which seem to symbolize that if humans are to be relieved of suffering they must go through the Eightfold Sutta main path. This temple was completed in 2003. Those are some reviews regarding the Puja Mandala worship complex. That place in Nusa Dua, Bali, Indonesia. Don't forget to support our channel. Click subscribe button and also notification bell. Keep strong to get through this pandemic situation. Goodbye.